Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Whether it's a breakfast recipe or whether it's a tea time snack or whether it's a complete meal plan that you're doing, consider this option as Aloo Puri and have it with simple beautiful lime or mango achar, which is pickle, or simple yogurt. So let's start with the recipe. Okay, let's check out the ingredients for Aloo Puri. So I have 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 boiled potatoes, grated, half cup of suji, which is semolina, approximately 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds. This is totally optional. 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, about 1 tablespoon of crushed red chilies, salt to taste. I've taken about half tablespoon. This is carom seeds, ajwain seeds, which is approximately 1/4 teaspoon, some red chili powder and turmeric, some water to knead the dough, and oil to fry the puris. Okay, so let's start mixing all the ingredients. Add semolina, coriander, potato, turmeric, red chili powder. This is going to give us a beautiful color. Carom seeds, I have crushed it on my palm already. Salt to taste. Red chili flakes. Kasuri methi. And some of the white sesame seeds. I'm going to save some. Let's mix all these ingredients really well. So let me make the dough, and I think we need approximately half cup of water. Okay, so my dough is ready. So since there is aloo, it will be a little softer dough than the puri dough. So just to make sure that we don't add too much water in this while kneading. Okay, so I'm going to add some oil and keep it covered for about 10-15 minutes. Alright, so 15 minutes are done. So what I have is some oil, red chili flakes, and some sesame seeds. Let's keep rolling. So get some puri shaped dough, about lemon size, this size. Grease your surface, grease your puri, and roll. So once you have once this is this size, just tap your finger and add some chili flakes and sesame seeds, and then roll again. So since this is puri, it will be a little thicker. So just like so, as you can see. Okay, let's move on to the frying process. My oil is hot. Let's find out. There you go. If you see the bubble, that means it is hot. Alright, so let's add the puri now. Sesame seeds and red chili flakes while rolling the puri is totally optional. It just looks colorful and gives beautiful flavor. That's it. So my puri is done. Let's remove it. And here you go, quick and easy aloo puri is right in front of you. Look at this, I have served this with achar. This is nimbu achar, but you can have it as is or have yogurt or pickle alongside and enjoy this beautiful tasty aloo puri. Simply look at the texture and the sesame and the red chili flakes that we added while rolling the puri. They just stand out. So just a beautiful scene right here, and I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please click that right like button, and of course I want you to try this recipe at home. This is a beautiful, tasty, delicious aloo puri with some pickle on the side. So thank you for watching this recipe. Thank you for visiting Foodland. I will talk to you in the next video. See you next time. Bye bye.